Welcome to the Ultimate Certification Marks quiz. Ever wondered what those little logos on your food, electronics and jewelry actually mean? Beyond just being stickers, they are your shield for quality, safety and authenticity. Today, we're putting your consumer awareness to the test.
Which mark would you look for when you buying a bottle of honey or a packet of spices? A. ISI, B. FPO, C. Agmark, D. Hallmark. Correct answer is Agmark. Second, the ISI mark is most commonly found on which of the following products? A. Pickles and jam, B. Electrical appliance and cement, C. Gold jewelry, D. Fresh vegetables. Correct answer is B. Electrical appliance and cement. Third, if you are purchasing a tin of canned pineapple or a bottle of fruit squash, which mandatory mark must it carry? A. Agmark, B. FPO, C. Ecomark, D. BIS Hallmark. Option B is right, FPO. Question number 4. Which organization is responsible for issuing the ISI mark? A. Ministry of Agriculture, B. Directorate of Marketing and Inspection, C. Bureau of Indian Standards, option D. FSSAI. Correct answer is option C. Bureau of Indian Standards. Question number 5. The Agmark certification is legally enforced in India under which act? A. Consumer Protection Act 1986, B. Agricultural Produce 1937, C. Bureau of Indian Standards Act 1986, D. Food Safety and Standards Act 2006. Correct answer is B. Agricultural Produce 1937. Question number 6. Which certification mark is mandatory for all processed fruit products sold in India, such as packaged fruit, beverage, jam and pickles? A. Ecomark, B. Agmark, C. ISI mark, D. FPO mark. Option D is correct, FPO mark. Question number 7. The ISI mark, which ensures safety and quality standard of industrial goods, is managed by which organization? A. Consumer Residual Form, B. FSSAI, C. Bureau of Indian Standards, D. Ministry of Agriculture. Option C is correct, Bureau of Indian Standards. Question number 8. If you are purchasing a gold necklace, which mark should you check for the ensure to the purity of the precious metal? A. ISI mark, B. Agmark, C. FPO, D. BIS Hallmark. Correct option is D. BIS Hallmark. Question number 9. Which of the following product is likely to carry the Agmark certificate? A. Mustard oil, B. Electrical iron, C. Cement, D. Canned pineapple. Correct option is A. Mustard oil. Question number 10. The Eco mark in India features which symbol to represent environment friendly products? A. Green leaf, B. An earthen pot, C. The sun, D. A recycle bin. Correct option is B. An earthen pot. Question number 11. Is the ISI mark mandatory for LPG cylinders and pressure cookers sold in India? A. Yes, it is mandatory. B. No, it is voluntary. Correct answer is option A. Yes, it is mandatory. Question number 12. What does the AG in Agmark stand for? A. Accredited, B. Agency, C. Agriculture, D. Approved. Option C is correct, agriculture. Question number 13. The non-pollution under control PUC certificate is mandatory for which of the following? A. Air conditioner, B. Kitchen chimney, C. Motor vehicles, D. Chemical factories. Option C is correct, motor vehicles. Question number 14. Which mark is used specifically to identify organic food products in India? A. FPO, B. ISI, C. Silk Mark, D. Javik Bharat. Option D is correct, Javik Bharat. Part 2. True or false? 15. The FSSAI logo and license number are mandatory for all packaged food item in India. A. True या B. False? Correct answer is A. True. Question number 16. Agmark is short for agriculture marketing. Correct answer is true. Next, the FPO mark ensured that food products were manufactured in a hygiene food safety environment. It's true or false? आंसर इज ट्रू. थैंक यू. कमेंट करें कितने आप सही गेस कर पाए एंड लाइक शेयर सब्सक्राइब.